Do you change information in your main marketplace and you find that all other marketplaces are copying that listing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable BIL or Build International listings quite easily. Now, what is that? This is a tool that when enabled, you pick basically a source marketplace such as USA, and then whenever you make changes to those listings within USA, whatever it's connected to, let's say Mexico, Canada, all those attributes or changes that you make are copied onto that marketplace like Canada or Mexico. So I'm going to show you how to disable that. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, we're going to start off by going to the left-hand side menu in our seller account, head down to inventory and then sell globally. And next we're going to click build international listings right here. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can jump straight to this page, but you can see here already that we have one connection that is from Amazon.com to Mexico. And all you want to do is simply click remove that connection. Remove connection, delete listings from Amazon.com Mexico. I'm going to choose to delete them. So remove connection, that's it. Now, on the left-hand side, you would have seen that I only had Mexico enabled. If you have other marketplaces such as US to Canada, you need to select that connection and then remove that as well. That's simple. Now you can remove those build international listings quite easily. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Thank you for watching.